This system training will show you how to add a campaign. Select the Manage Campaigns button from the Card Manager main menu. From here you can see existing campaigns. As a default, you have been provided a First Look card campaign to be used at your discretion. To start a new campaign, click on Add New Card. This will bring you to the card catalog where you can begin to design your card. Select the card you wish to make into a campaign. On the left-hand side, the used first name is already selected. This will automatically pull the first name from your contact manager and place it here on your card. If you don't want to add the first name, you simply need to unselect the box. You can also select Use Last Name or Use Spouse's Name if you would like. You have the options of adding text above and below the contact name. For example, you can add Hello First Name, then a comma. This displays above. Type your message and choose an alignment font and font color. Just below the editing box, you will see the Add Edit Signatures. If you have signatures, this is where you can select them. You can also change the color of the signature. This is helpful if you want to make it a different color than your text, making the signature stand out. You can edit the inside right just as you edited the inside left. Name your campaign. This is a new campaign piece. The piece name is used to help you distinguish between multiple cards under one campaign. The send date is defaulted to immediate. Keep in mind that when creating the campaign, this doesn't actually send the campaign until you go into your contact manager and send it. There are several options to choose from. If you select birthday or anniversary, your campaign will send out a minimum of 7 days prior to the date listed in your contact manager, depending on where the contact lives. Leaving it on immediate will send the card immediately after I go to the contact manager and select a recipient. Once you finish, select Preview Campaign Piece. This shows you a preview of how the card will print. Click on the image to view a larger preview. To exit out of this larger preview, you need to select the red X. This will bring you back to the smaller preview. Select Save Card. You can change the return address, and when finished, select Update Campaign to save the changes. If you select Manage Campaigns, then you will see all of your campaigns listed. Now that you have created the campaign, you can send this campaign to either an individual or a group from your contact manager. There are several ways to send the campaign that you have now created. The first way would be to go into your contact manager and select List All Contacts to display all of the contacts that are stored in your contact manager. You can select your campaign from the drop-down menu. There's a check next to all of the names. If you want to send your campaign to everyone checked, simply select the campaign from the drop-down box and select Send Campaign to All. If you don't want to send the campaign to everyone on your list, you could select Uncheck All, and this would remove the checkboxes next to your contacts' names. This would allow you to check all of the names that you wish to send the campaign to. Then you would select the campaign from the drop-down box and select Send Campaign to All. All points and postage are taken out when the campaign is sent. If you don't have enough points and/or postage, an error message will display. Otherwise, it will ask you to confirm the campaign. Another way to send a campaign would be to send it to an entire group that you have listed in your contact manager. At the bottom of the page, there are groups to include. By default, all of the boxes are selected. If you select Clear Group Selection, you are able to pull up the group or groups that you wish to send the campaign to. Select Find Contact, and this will display a list of contacts that are in that group. As mentioned before, you can either leave all of the contacts checked and send the campaign to everyone, or you can uncheck some of the contacts that you don't wish to send the campaign to. You find the campaign from the drop-down box that you wish to send and select Send Campaign to All. Remember that all points and postage are taken out when the campaign is sent. To verify that your campaign has been successfully sent, you can go to the Manage Campaigns, where you will see Manage Sent Campaigns. This will display a summary of the campaigns that have not been fulfilled yet. You can see the date, the campaign name, recipient, address, and status. From here, you have the ability of viewing the campaign by selecting View. Another thing you are able to do from Manage Sent Campaigns is delete either an individual contact from receiving your campaign, or you can delete the entire campaign. To delete a single contact that you sent a campaign to, you would go to that particular contact and select Delete. This will display a box that asks you to confirm deleting the campaign. If you want to cancel the entire list of contacts that you sent the campaign to, you can select the little box next to Date, and it will place a check next to the names of everyone on your list. Toward the bottom of the page, you can see Cancel Checked. Again, a pop-up box will ask you to confirm that you want to cancel the campaign. Once you have canceled the campaign, the points and postage will be returned to your account. If you have additional questions, contact the person that referred you to send out cards or contact our customer service department.